Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Fuel efficient and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.